how to effectively control materials, especially in the project. Materials are scattered everywhere in the fabrication yard and in the operations. How can we properly and effectively control or monitor or manage our inventories? Number one, we have to keep updated and accurate inventory records. That all transactions for inbound and outbound should be recorded immediately right or before the transaction for issuance and receipt. Number two, maintain proper stock arrangement in your warehouse and logistics. Proper storage per commodity line, per specification, and per grade. Place proper markings, ID number, heat number, meal certificate, and coding numbers for all items in order to preserve the correct specification of the materials required in the operation. Markings, usually in fabrication, we have different specification of materials including steel plates and tubes. We have to mark proper ID number, heat number, meal certificate, and the coding system. Materials and coding system. We have to develop standard materials control policy for all stakeholders to be observed, supported by procedural manual. Proper allocation system per department user will determine the percentage of usage per department user in order to have accurate forecasting and replenishment system. We know how much to purchase. If we have the proper allocation system per department user, we have already the accurate requirements for our bill of materials. Thank you very much. Please subscribe. Shukran.